So this is the camera that I have been using to do many of my YouTube videos. It's got good zoom capability. One thing, obviously for outside, you can get some wind noise. That hole at the very top up here is the microphone. And obviously, if I want to eliminate the wind noise, I have to put something over it. So I thought I'd experiment a little bit here to find out, try some different options. And so to do that test, I've set up a standard fan, and my plan is to try a variety of different attachments. The first one on my list is going to be no muff at all, so that'll be our just the way it comes from the factory. The second pass will be just with my finger covering up that microphone hole. The third would be just a small piece of tape covering up the hole. Then I've got two chunks of this gray foam. This is like the stuff you'd put around your windows. One that's got a hole in it and one that doesn't. Then I'll do I got a green pad, which is like from your kitchen sink. I've got a little cloth, which is from a piece of clothing, a paper towel, and then some. This is some material from a paint roller. One that's just got a flat plastic bottom, and one that has a hole that I've cut out of the bottom. So I'll do multiple passes and we'll see how the sound changes for each of those. So the way I'll run the test is I'll start with the camera off to the side here, which actually has some of the strongest airflow here. I'll move it across this way. I'll rotate it down. Come back across. I'll rotate it the other way. Come back across. And end up here and in the center, and that'll be the end of the pass.